Good evening, all of you. Myself, Ravi Brazdar. I am from the Latur MSc Physics with B.Ed, and I am the physics professor. From today onwards, we have to see the class 11th and 12th, both board as well as NCERT concepts, numericals, and problems. Right? So, we have to see from today onwards. First chapter from class 11th is units and measurement. We have to see what is meant by the units and what is meant by the measurement, basic of that chapter and the concept from that chapter. See, we have to see first what is meant by the physical quantity. Before that, we have to see the measurement. See, the comparison of any two physical quantity with its standard unit is called as the measurement. The comparison of any physical quantity with its standard unit is called as the measurement. Then we have to see what is meant by the physical quantities. See, all the quantities which can be measured directly or indirectly, in terms of which the laws of physics are described, are called as the physical quantities. क्या कहा है यहाँ पर? What is the physical quantities? All the quantities which can be measured directly or indirectly, in terms of which the laws of the physics are described, are called as the physical quantities. Then we have to see the what is meant by the units, right? A standard amount of physical quantity chosen to measure the physical quantity of the same kind is called as the physical unit. It should be easily reproducible, internationally accepted, right? क्या कहा है यहाँ पर? What is meant by the units? A standard amount of physical quantity chosen to measure the physical quantity of same kind is called as the physical unit, and it should be easily reproducible and internationally accepted. Then we have to see the what is meant by the fundamental quantities and their units. We have to see fundamental quantities, their name, unit name. Then we have to see the symbol for the unit of that physical quantity and the definition of that particular physical quantity. We have to see it one by one. We have to see first what is the electric current and name for the electric current unit and symbol for electric current unit and definition. See, electric current unit for the electric current is ampere and symbol for the electric current is capital A. Electric current unit symbol is capital A. Why? Ampere starts from A, therefore capital A is the symbol, unit symbol. Then what is the definition of electric current? See, the ampere is the, here we have to see the definition of the ampere, right? Then after that we have to see the current definition. The ampere is that constant current which, if maintained in two straight parallel conductors of infinite length of negligible circular cross section and placed the 1 meter apart in the vacuum, would produce the force between these conductors equal to the 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 Newton per meter of length, right? Then we have to see the thermodynamic temperature, right? The thermodynamic temperature is the fundamental quantity. The unit for thermodynamic temperature, right? Kelvin. Then symbol for that unit is capital K. And what is the definition? See, the Kelvin is the fraction 1 by 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. Then the next physical quantity is amount of substance. Name of unit for the physical quantity amount of substance is mole. What is the symbol for mole? Is the MOL, right? Then what is the definition? See, the mole is the amount of substance of a system which contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilogram of carbon, right? Then we have to see the luminous intensity. What is meant by the luminous intensity? We have to see later. Today we have to see the unit, any unit for the luminous intensity, then symbol of that unit and the definition of the candela, right? C, name the physical quantity unit, candela, right? Then symbol for candela is CD. Then definition of the candela is, we have to see, the candela is the luminous intensity in a given direction of a source that emits the monochromatic radiation of the frequency 540 into 10 raised to 12 hertz, and that the radiant intensity in that direction of 1 by 683 watt per steradian, right? Then we have to see some other physical quantity and their unit. I will erase it. Then we have to see the length, fundamental quantity length. What is the unit for the length? Meter, we know. M-E-T-E-R, meter. Then what is the symbol for meter is small m. Then what is the definition of the length? C. We have to see the length definition later. We have to see meter definition. The meter is the length of the path traveled by light in a vacuum during a time interval of 1 by 299, 2792, 458 of the second, right? Then after that we have to see the fundamental quantity mass, and name for unit mass is the kilogram, right? Kilogram. And what is the symbol? kg. And what is the definition for kilogram? Listen, the kilogram is equal to the mass of the international prototype of the kilogram kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measure at Sèvres near the Paris, France. Then we have to see the next fundamental quantity, that is the very important fundamental quantity, time. What is the symbol for the time unit? We know second, right? Then what is the symbol for the second? Yes, we know, yes, right? What is the definition of the second? Listen, the second is the duration of 9192631,770 periods of the radiation corresponding to the transition between the two hyperfine levels of the ground state of the cesium-133 atom, right? Thank you so much. Let another next part, supplementary fundamental quantities and their unit, we have to see tomorrow. Thank you.